In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own AI videos like this. As you can see, this is really amazing video. I'm going to show you how you can create it. So here we go. So first of all, here we need two tools. So open the bing.com/create. And you need to log in into this platform. Okay, it's a free of cost Microsoft account. You can log in with your Gmail account also. And you need to just type here, create 3D Krishna cute images child, and click on create. You can create any image. You can create someone else image. You can do anything here. Okay, so let's see this. We have the images, right? So what I'm gonna do here, I'm gonna mix two images. Okay, so first of all, I'm gonna just click on that image, open this. Okay, and let's click on the download. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the another image like this one, and again download. And I'm gonna use one more image, and I'm gonna use this one image, and then download it. Open the new tab and just search here Krea.ai tool, Krea.ai. Okay, and you can see the Krea.ai tool. Open this, and you need to log in into this platform. You can log in with the temp address also, so you can generate more videos. You can see the AI video generator. Click on this. Now you need to log in with your account. You will log in with your Google account or using the temp address. So I'm gonna use the temp address. Copy the email and paste it here. Okay, continue with email. So you can use here the multiple emails. You can create a multiple videos. So the password, I'm gonna just put it and sign up. Okay, this will send you the code. So go to here. Your inbox is empty and wait some seconds. You will receive the verification link here. You can see the confirmation email. Got it. This is the confirmation code. Go here and paste that code here and click on sign up, and it's done. Okay, now let's click on the start button. Click on open app here. As you can see here, now we have two things. So once you play this, you will see the video look like this. Now we need to change it. Okay, so I'm gonna just delete that text. Just use that delete button and delete button. Click on that image and delete it also, and delete it also. Now click on the add keyframe anywhere you can add. So click on the add keyframe. Click on the upload image. We have just added images, right? So just add this one image first. And we need to add like this 2, 3 or 4 images you can add. Okay. And now I'm gonna just add one more image here. Click on add again. Click on upload image. Again add one more image like this. Now again we need to click on add frame. And again we need to add one more image. And that one is this one. Okay. Now let's try to generate the video. And you can generate here multiple type of videos. Okay. So let's now, we just need to click on the generate video. Okay. And click on it. And we just need to wait some seconds. As you can see, it's generating. So it's finalizing the clip. Okay. Now, as you can see, now video is generated. And you will see here the amazing video. It's really cute. Okay. So you can create, you can add any image and you can just create. And you can see the setting option. You can generate it for your reel. You can see the 16:19. This is for the reel you can generate. And we just need to click on the download button to download this video. There is no any issue related to, logo or something in the video. Nothing, you can use it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, you can ask and comment. Have a nice day. Be safe. Bye-bye.